3 points. Oh.
5-6. 5-8. Okay, nagmamadali si Ivan, nagmamadali para may lakad. 2 points by Ivan. 5-10. Parang may pulis. Pascual. 2 points by Pascual. 5-12. Okay, backboard. Laison to Pascual, 2 points. Nakakaisang dosena na yata. Shoot si Pascual 5-14. No good. Nice. Sayang, Bayron.
Masyadong ano yun, dikit na dikit. Counted by Gaha.
7-14. Same bola. Bad pass. 2 points. 9-14. Mukhang pagod na po si Christopher. Oy, 2 points by Alejos. Time out. Score 11-14. Isa na lang po time out nila.
Basa ba, Ivan? Basa bola? Basa? Ito, oh.
Okay, back to the ball game. Score 11-14 in favor of Team Ivan. No good by Conching. Nakuha ni Ron. To Christopher to Conching. 8 seconds to shoot. Okay, lifting. Last 3 minutes. Okay, 2 points. 13-14, isa na lang po ang hinahabol. Ivan, nice drop. To Kuching, nice D by Gaa, pero better shot by Kuching.
The Juggernaut.
2 points. 15-16. Ten seconds to shoot. Oh! Pero nandun.
Yun lang.
Last 2 minutes. Ivan. Dire-diretso. Pero may foul. Grabe, bigla mo na po sa area. 1 minute 44 seconds. 14 to shoot. Christopher. Pinasa kay Kuching. In his spot. Kuching. 3 points. 15-19. Good, wala pong tawag ng foul. Nice, libre-libre. Ang ganda naman nun, pero nice din. Nice hustle, may Pascual.
Oy, nasobrahan ng magandang pasa yun.
Last 1 minute. Ivan pull up is good. Last 58 seconds. 21-15. 2 points by Justin.
Last 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds.
Lamang ng apat na. Apat sila Ivan. Last 40 seconds. 12 to shoot. Last 30 seconds.
Okay.
19-21. 27 seconds. 27 seconds. No need to foul. Pwede pang bumalik. Pascual. Naghahanap ng papasahan. 19 seconds to shoot. Last 6 seconds. Alejos. Hoy! 2 seconds. 1 second. And sobra. Hoy, pagkuha na sa labas. Baka mawala yung bola. Patakbo na.
Sino una nakakuha? Sa inyo? Sa inyo? Sila ba nakakuha? Okay.
Score 21-19. Isa lang po ang hinahabol nila Justin.
Dalawa na.
Grabe, 5 points yun. Yung ginawa ni Ivan eh. Kanila.
Dalawa. Hindi mo sinut yung layup mo eh.
Bola po dito ha. Dito bola. Kila Ivan. Dalawa na lang po time out ng team. Dalawa na lang time out nyo. Isa sa kanila. Ivan. Kuching. Munti ka na. Rebound by Gaa. Gaa to JL. Steal, nice steal. Christopher, libre. Oy! No good. Pagod lang yan dahil sa pagod. Nice, Poblete. 2 points. All 21. Grabe. Nakalimutan ko sa Poblete kung kanina. Okay. Rebound by Capon. Okay, lamang na po sila JM. 21-23. Okay, oh. Okay, dito bola. Steal. Good yun, ha? Good. Steal. 21-25. Three points! 24-25. Nice three by Sir Ron. JM, no good. Okay, nice hustle by Sir Ron. Inispot pero kapos. Sayang. Lamang kayo ng isa, pre. Ay sila, lamang sila ng isa. Score 24-25 in favor of team. 3 points by JM. 24-29. Okay, 2 points. Kinakayot ko unti-unti ni Ivan. 2 points by JM. 26-30. 26-30. No good. Hindi. Galing kayo sa 25. Naka 3. Tapos naka 2. Nagkamali lang po. 26-30. No good by Pascual. Okay. 28-30. Time remaining. Last 5 minutes. Ivan to Pascual. Pinasa. Inispat. No good. Rebound by Sir Ron. Nice hustle. Pinasa kay Laison. Pasa pala yun. 2 points by Pascual. Grabe yung ngiti ni Pascual. Score of 30. Nakaka-14 shoot na yun, ah. Wow! Nagkapi sa ere. Okay, foul down. Last 4 minutes. No good by Dyson. Rebound by Poblete to Alejos. Alejos mukhang tatangkain diretso. Tapos lang. Okay, out of bounds si Christopher. Out of bounds si Christopher. Wala nang pagtatanong. Justine to JM. JM 3 points. Score 30-35. Okay, last touch by Sir Ron. Bola nila Justine. Three. 30-38. Mahaba pa po oras. Huwag po tayong malungkot.
3 minutes, 29 seconds.
30-40.
10.
30-40. 3 minutes, 6 seconds. 3 minutes, 6 seconds. Three points.
Pre, naka-shoot ba doon kanina? Okay.
30-43. Good po yan, ha?
Forty-two, 43. Onsi lang po yan, ha? Onsi lang.
One minute, 50 seconds. Steal by Coaching. Nice. 2 points.
2 points by Coaching.
34-43. Poblete para magdadang. No good. Rebound by. Okay. Oh, good daw, ha? Good, ha? Sayang yung hustle ni Justin doon. One minute, 21 seconds. Justin, no good. Last 1 minute. Lahat po ng call may free throw na. Wow! 36-43. Last 52 seconds. No good. Last 42 seconds. Mababaliktad pa ba? Sir Ron, 2 points. 38-43, 35 seconds. Last 32 seconds, 18 to shoot. May 10 seconds difference sa shot clock.
3.
19 seconds. Last 13 seconds. Three seconds. 2 points. Game ball.